All right. What's going on, folks? What is going on? It's Nero here, Dapp Center. I need to get my glasses on. I don't even have my glasses on. Shit. It's been one of those mornings. What's up, guys? So, yeah, I am on KuCoin right now. And you guys can actually sign up getting in that referral link. But, yeah, they got some leverage trading. I'm going to be showing you guys here how to get started on leverage trading. In fact, I got another guy here with me. What's up, Cap Slade? How you doing today? How's it going? So yeah, Cap Slade's going to be, he's actually never done leverage trading before, and he's going to be with me asking questions about how to do it, how it works, and so forth, and how to get started. Going to check out the live chat here. What's up, guys? Thank you guys all for joining. Welcome. Let me pull up the live streams here, make sure everything's good to go. Yeah, let me edit this. There we go. Okay, we are live on YouTube and Twitch. How's your day, Dapp? How's it going? It's going all right. It's going all right. Just found out that they overturned Roe versus Wade, which we're not going to get into politics here, but that was, to me, I think it's a big deal. Considering how reproduction in a civilization has it's pretty much the foundation of the civilization and so forth. But I ain't going to go into that. We're going to be talking about perpetuals trading here, folks. Let's go. Oh, yeah, I need to get my Spotify going. Got my non-copyrighted music on here on Spotify. Hopefully it's not too loud or not too quiet for you guys. Good day. What's up? Yeah, make sure to like and subscribe if you have not done so already. Do have one sponsor today, so I do want to thank xt.com for being our paid sponsor in today's live stream. We're also going to be doing a video review about xt.com, and they are an exchange that also offers leverage trading as well, so I'll be going into that later on. But yeah, guys, looking over at the markets, let's take a look here at the dashboard. Bearish, guys. Market outlook is bearish. New sentiment still leaning to the bullish, and social sentiment still bullish. Like I said, I disagree with this site. I think market outlook is more towards the very bearish, and then new settlement and social sentiment is more towards the bearish. But Bitcoin is up today. It's up 20,845. I think there is a chance that we could see a small rally here. Bitcoin has been so low. I mean, the moving average of Bitcoin is 21,000. And you look at the trends of Bitcoin, I mean, it's hard for people to be selling at these levels, in my opinion. Like, I feel like it's going to be very hard for Bitcoin to get to 10K, because that's what a lot of people are calling. They're like, everyone's anticipating Bitcoin to drop to 10K. I don't think it's going to happen, because everyone's anticipating it. And just seeing how it's gone down so much already, I think it's more likely that we'll go up to like 25,000 before we go to 10. We'll probably go to like 25 and then back to 20 and then 23 and then 20, and then maybe we'll start seeing some new lows, especially after, you know, they officially announce that we're in a recession, and that's when you guys are going to want to buy. That will probably be the bottom. I would say probably between 10 and 15K. I don't think it's going to go any lower than that, guys, though. Like, there's no way. Dude, Michael Saylor has put $2 billion into this at $30,000, guys. Tesla has been buying up Bitcoin since 20K. Like, huge companies, huge, some of the most profound influential people in the world, like Elon Musk, are very bullish on Bitcoin. I don't see this just disappearing or dying and going away like some people are thinking. Regulations are coming, though, and I think once regulations get put in place, that's when you get the spot ETF for Bitcoin, and that's when you start seeing Bitcoin hit new all-time highs. Hey, did I miss something? I don't know. Did you? We're on YouTube and Twitch. Yeah, I'm streaming from both. Hey, first time chatter, Jay. Hey, it's my first time watching you. What's up? Welcome. Thank you. Make sure to like, follow, and subscribe. We love our first time chatters here. Thank you for joining. We got another first time chatter, LEXZZ. Hi, Dapp. What's up? Thank you for joining. The only shining gold. Hello, Dapp. First time chatter. Thank you for joining us today. Wow, we got a lot of first time chatters today. Look at this. We got Gold Like Daylight. Welcome. I'm loving this. Loving seeing you guys. All new faces coming here and joining us. How about the Javi? I'm actually not drinking Javi today. I'm actually doing the Starbucks. Didn't have much time to get the coffee because it takes me a little bit of time, even though it's basically instant. I mean, it really doesn't take that much time, but like I lost track of time this morning, so I had to just grab something out of the fridge, so I didn't get time to prep my little Javi drink. But you guys could use that referral link, the Javi, down in the description as a coffee concentrate. They offer a ton of flavors. Like I said, I'm not drinking one on session today, but it is good. If you don't have that, then Starbucks would be another option for you. But hey, get your Javi. It's actually cheaper too. It's definitely cheaper than Javi, especially when you calculate the servings versus, you know, one can of this is what, $3, where one thing of this is $25, but this actually makes like 30 of these. So the math, it's actually better value to get one of those. So, but yeah, you guys have it. Get that Javi coffee. So yeah, let's get into the Perpetuals trading. So how to get started, guys. Basically, you need to get yourself signed up to KuCoin. KuCoin would be one of your best options for leverage trading that I've found. They do start off with 5x leverage, which I think is really good to start off with because there's some places, especially KuCoin, they even offer 100x leverage, and I strongly recommend that you do not do 100x leverage until you've mastered just the 5x leverage or the 10x leverage, because once you get up to like 100x leverage, it can get very risky. It'll get your heart pumping for sure, because you're talking about tons of money of it. You have a very small margin of error for 100x leverage, where 5x leverage, you have more margin for error. So I actually have 3 positions opened right now, and believe it or not, guys, dude, I've been killing it. I've been making so much money leverage trading. It is phenomenal. Like, I started with $3,000 in my KuCoin account just like over a week ago. I have over $10,000 now. Yeah, made $7,000 profit just in a week leverage trading, and it's I won't say it's easy, but it's easier than you think. Especially when it comes to understanding. It took me a minute. You know, there's a lot of things that may be confusing to you guys, so hopefully in this live stream I'll be able to answer all your questions that you guys might have about leverage trading. What happened is ball magic. I have it right here, guys. Yes. There, now it is. The, my crystal ball, predicting the future. So I've entered in these 3 positions here. I'm in BTC, ETH, and Solana. These are long positions. I plan on holding them for long term. I don't plan on closing them. And I plan on adding more if the price goes down. So as you see, my unrealized P&L, I'm short $14 here. I'm down 2%. That's because when I entered my long, in which a buy long, that means you are predicting that you're anticipating that the price will go up when you enter a buy or long. That, you know, if you're going to be buying or longing, that means you want the price to go up, because that's how you're going to make money. So my entry price for that when I bought in, when I entered a long, was at $21,007. Now the current price of Bitcoin has dropped to $20,908. So it's down around $92, which is now have gotten me about a $15 loss or 2% loss. But that's unrealized. This is constantly changing as the price fluctuates. Once this price, the market price is above my entry price, then you're going to start seeing what this is showing here for Ethereum and Solana as positive. So you can see here on ETH, my entry price was 1,138. The market current price, this is what it's trading at right now, is almost 1,200, which means I got $121 profit. And why this is different from spot trading is because with leverage trading, I only invested $578. That's what I put in. And this is what the actual value is. So I put in $578, but the exchange gave me credit of $2,398. So with leverage trading, you're leveraging off the exchange. The exchange is actually giving you a loan where they're putting up a huge amount, like for instance 5x. 5x of 500 is 2,500, right? So there's that value there. So you can see I have about 5x leverage on ETH, and the same thing goes for Bitcoin, same thing goes for Solana. And then imagine if you were doing 100x leverage, $500 would give me the current value that I would be investing with. 500 times 100, that would be $50,000. Which, that's a lot of money. I mean, when you're just putting up $500, the exchange is giving you $50,000, and your unrealized P&L is based off of the gains and losses of that $50,000. Then, I mean, it just opens such crazy opportunities for you to gain money, to have massive gains, or to have massive losses. So that is another thing you do need to keep in mind. It is risky, so please make sure, guys, that this is not financial advice whatsoever, that this is for entertainment, educational purposes only. Do not, I'm not a financial advisor in any way. I'm just pretty much blogging of what I'm doing. And, some of the times it works, sometimes it doesn't work. As you guys see earlier today, I made a bad trade. I actually lost. I tried shorting Solana, which was a bad idea because Solana went up a bunch in price. And I figured, this would be a great time to short it. I could just make a quick, few bucks here. And no, Solana pumped. And I got out. And I could have waited, maybe. But I'd be waiting for a long time because that close, I bought in. Solana's just been tearing it up. So I had to get out just because I didn't want to wait for too long. So I sacrificed losing that amount so that way I don't get stuck in a trade, because I could probably make more. But usually I don't like to get out of trade. I usually don't like to take a loss. I usually will stay in as long as I can until I could get, close with a profit. So, patience is the key and virtue. Have you heard about the news about the $100 million crypto that's been stolen in another major hacks? No, I haven't. What happened? Will you go to Crypto Panic? Oh, so Horizon got 100 million hacked. Dang, that sucks. Wow, yep. Gotta be, a lot of those are inside jobs too, unfortunately. Or just, negligence. They weren't being safe or having enough security measures in place to prevent stuff like that from happening. Yo, first time chatter, Elliot Choilia. Hey Dappy, hey, what's up? Welcome. Love our new time chatters. Thank you guys for joining. So yeah, let's get started talking about perpetual trading. What questions you guys have, feel free to leave down in comments. What questions do you have, Cap? What questions do you have for me? That is actually really good that you mentioned that, because when it comes to leverage trading, especially depending on how you're going to trade it, you first need to have a plan. And then with that plan, you also need to find the right coin, because if you don't find the right coin, then it can make leverage trading very hard, and you could lose a lot of money by doing it, by making the wrong choice. So yes, you definitely want to take a look at what I look at for indicators is I look at huge price movements and volume. You don't want to get in a crypto that has low volume and small price movements, because you don't want to be sitting there waiting forever, especially if you're trying to day trade. Now, of course, if you're trying to long it and you plan on, buying something and hold it forever, then that'd be a whole different situation. But when I've come to leverage trading and day trading, I plan on being in for short periods of time. So what I'm looking is for high volume and high price change. So what I'm looking here is, this is all the perpetuals that they have. I'm under USDT, and then I click on change here, and you guys see here, like, you click this once, it's going to show you all your lows. Click it again. Actually, there it shows all my lows, and then here shows all my highs. So you guys see here, there's one here that's up 44%. So let's take a look at that. We got YFI. Look at the chart here, and you guys can see here, this might be an opportunity to enter what I would say a short, because chances are there's gonna be a chance for a price change here. So what I could do here, it kind of depends what the volume is I'm also determining how much is the price actually fluctuating. Is this a good time for me to start shorting or not? It looks like it is starting to churn. In fact, I might be too late to start already. As you guys see, if I would have started shorting at 72, 73, or around this range here towards the top, I'd be in so much profit right now. Now, there is a chance that this could go like this, which, entering a short now wouldn't be a bad idea. And that's why I would say try to really focus on averaging in. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Don't go all in on one entry. Slowly go in. Put little bits and pieces at a time. So that way, if the price starts going lower or higher, or whatever you're selling short or longing, you can do that. So, dang it. So now I'm gonna wait. So I'm going to try to wait and see what this thing decides to do. Maybe if it pumps up again, I will then enter a short. And then obviously, even though I'm anticipating this might go up, I'm not going to enter a long yet, because it's just too much risk for me. Entering a long in now, and this possibly dumping to here, which is totally possible, that would just be really bad. I'd be stuck in the trade. So I'm going to wait on this one and kind of just see what happens. But yeah, that's typically what I do. Let's look at another one. We got ARPA. Let's see this one. And they also have these indicators here. This is one thing I do like about KuCoin, is they show you which ones that shows fire, like hot. That means the volume is high on these. That means there's a lot of action. There's a lot of people watching it right now. It's trending. So those are definitely picks that I look at as well. Nero, it's really increasing. Yes, it is increasing. Oh, there goes the what the heck? Now we're getting spam again. We had the spam bots gone for a day or two. Now they're back. It's dumping. Yeah, you guys think it's dumping? Will TRX ever reach $1? I doubt it. I don't think so. But nothing, don't think so, yeah, but nothing is impossible in crypto. Ain't that the truth? Crypto is kind of scary. Honestly, I've gone from trading crypto, trading stocks, trading crypto. I would say crypto is so much better. Trading stocks, you have so many restrictions. You have to wait a long time for things to go through. Now, of course, with that, of course, it's more regulated and so forth. So you have more security in that measure. Um, but generally, it's just I just feel like it's just easier to trade crypto. Like they just make it much easier to trade. Like there's a lot less restrictions. Which that could be a double-edged sword, right? Lack of regulations, which is probably going to change soon. Like the 100x leverage, that probably won't last forever. According to some of my researchers, like 100x leverage only exists in crypto, is what I hear. Like they don't even have 100x leverage in stocks. Like that would be like not even be allowed. So can't hear me. What about now? How's the sound? Any updates in Redbox? Let's check Redbox real quick. Redbox is down, guys. It's cooling off. It seems like it's down to 947. I'm still holding on though. I'm still banking on there being a short squeeze in the future, but I think it's gonna be hard for it to do right now because of the current market conditions. We saw short squeezes on what was it, GameStop and AMC, but that was also during different market conditions. Market conditions were really good at those times. There was money flowing everywhere. So I'm gonna hold and wait, guys. I'm still a believer. I think we could see maybe. I'm hoping for one more leg up. My exit, my plan strategy. I've said $50, but realistically, with the current market conditions, I'd be happy with 2x, like going back to 18 or $20 would be nice. Can you louder your voice? Is that better? Your sounds is fine. Okay, thank you guys. So I'm trying to read. I actually have my multi-stream. I got chats up for both, so I'm actually able to see both the chats at the same time, which is really cool. When will you shave? Honestly, damn, your hair grows fastest than I expected. Did you hear about the 100 million hacker stole? Yeah, somebody just mentioned it. Yeah, dude, I need a shave, huh? I'm gonna get a haircut soon, probably this weekend. In fact, I need to make my appointment. Remind me to make my appointment later on. Any updates on Luna? Luna has been doing nothing, man. It was trending for a while, but now it's just kind of dead. Look at that, just dead. Volume's gone down, price is down. It's not, yeah. It's toast. Magic Polygon. Yeah, dude, Matic has been going up. Matic for sure. I did enter a trade into Matic, but dude, I couldn't even short this. Like, dude, the thing will not, like, I feel like the price is being manipulated or something because it will not fluctuate much at all. I mean, there's a little bit of fluctuations here, but not much. And I feel like I don't know. I just did not have a very good like I said. You could try shorting this, but you're waiting a while. A lot of coins they fluctuate a lot harder. They go down right like after such a big increase. They usually fall a lot harder, but they're not falling as hard. At least not Matic. And it's kind of like I feel like it's too late to enter along right now because we're right now. If you look at the 4 hour. We're like right in line with a lot of these. I mean, Mac's not a good example. Let's look at Bitcoin. You look at the 4 hour on Bitcoin. Like, we're getting to a point right now is where are we going to go? Are we going to be going back down, or are we going to be going up more? And we're kind of like in a tug of war between bullish and bears right now, especially here at around the 20 to 21K. Nobody knows for sure whether Bitcoin should be going up more or whether it should be going down more. And because of that, it kind of feel like there's less volatility now. It's kind of like everything's kind of just hanging around here in this range until we see some more movement towards up or to down. Then I think everyone's just kind of waiting, kind of like what I'm doing. I'm just sitting here waiting to find something to come up. Look at this storage. Perpetuals. This is new. This is another thing to look at too, guys. Look at the new tokens. A lot of times the new ones that get listed, they tend to trend more. They have more action going on. What's it? Seller. Ooh, look at this, guys. Getting some action on this one. So I'm gonna wait and see. I feel like this one could pump again. But like I said, I'm not going to enter long. I would only be shorting this. And as you see, this would have been a great short. This would have been an absolute great short. I'm about an hour late. Because about an hour ago, actually not an hour ago, I'm sorry. Yeah. Actually, no, this was a few hours ago. But yeah, last time was an hour ago. This was a few hours ago. So a few hours ago, if I would have done a long at this range here, I would have been in huge profit. And then if I would have saw this, I could have shorted it, and I would have made some nice gains here. Look at that, nice big dump here. So like if I would have start entering my sell shorts here, oh yeah, would have made some nice profit. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for, guys. Volume and good entries, and then having patience while doing it. And don't trade with emotion. That is the key, because I can show you guys, I entered a trade yesterday. I actually posted on my Twitter. What's happening with Bitcoin right now? It's kind of just doing nothing. It's trading sideways at the moment. I'll get to the others, guys, here in a second, but let me show you guys this. So I was trading futures perpetuals on waves yesterday, and I got greedy. I made a bad trade, and you guys can see here, I made a bad trade. I was down. This is actually, when I took this, I was down $1,700, but I was actually lower that. The lowest I saw it was at $2,000. My entry price, I bought in. I did a long at 622 because I was anticipating Bitcoin price to pump, which it ended up doing it later, just not at the time I was anticipating it. And it actually dumped. And when the price dropped to $6, I was down 1,700. I've already over leveraged, which I made that's where I made my mistake, is I over leveraged at 622. I should have, bought in a little less and then bought more as it gone down. But I over leveraged at 622. And even though I was still trying to buy on the way down, I couldn't get my average low enough. But I didn't freak out. A lot of times what traders do is they get mad, they get emotional, they get scared, and they sell. They panic sell. They sell for a loss. Like for instance, I didn't sell that. In fact, I waited. I just waited a few hours. A few hours later, I tuned it off. I turned it. I said screw it. I was actually at the zoo at the time. I was taking my kid to the zoo for their field trip for his school. So I was there doing that. So I was like, I'm not even gonna worry about it. I'll look at it, see what it happens when I come back. Well, when I got back from the zoo, market price went up to 620, and look at that. I totally recovered. That $1,700 loss, I actually recovered. I was only showing $130 loss. In fact, just holding on for a few moments later, I actually got in the positive. So I totally recovered that trade. In fact, I ended up making a profit off of that trade. If I pull it up here, when you look at my closed trades on Waves, my last Waves trade, boom, I made $93, guys. Look at that. So I entered a long and made $93 on that trade. Let me look here at the chats, guys. Can you look for Axie? Ooh. Let's see what Axie... Oh, I almost entered a long on Axie, too. Axie's trading at $16.97. It's up 20% today, guys. I might actually... This might be a good one. Ooh, look at this one, guys. This one's pumping now, too. Apparently, Axie is going to be doing... I think the reason why it's pumping, they made an announcement. They will be reimbursing all those that were affected by their huge hacking. $620 million was hacked from them. And they're going to reimburse all that, which is crazy. I don't know how they're going to reimburse everyone's funds. Like, that, just crazy how much money some of these people have. But I might actually enter a short here soon. But like I said, it looks like... See, I should have entered the short up here. And it's too risky to enter a long, so I'm in a waiting mode here now. Here's AGLD. This is another one. Ooh, look at this, guys. You guys think this is gonna go back up, or is it gonna go down? See, this would have been another good one if I would have shorted up here, or even here. Oh my gosh, huge profits. And then you could do the same ways, you know, when it comes to change, like anything that has a huge loss. Like the only one I'm seeing that has a loss right now is this one. I think this is the Horizon. Yeah, this was the one that had the hacking, the 100 million hack. This might be a good time to enter a long here, guys. I'm actually going to enter a long here. Dude, I'm entering a long. I'm going to do a small amount, though. Let's see. So here you guys see, so here's the order book. For those that still are new to leveraging here, new to trading. So obviously you could set your price to whatever you want. I think we're actually in a good, yeah, price is down, we're in the red. So I'm going to go ahead and put in the market buy here at 2462, so that way I get an order to go through. And then you can choose your leverage amount. Now my max leverage is 5x, and that's what I'm going to use. And then, say what? Is it? All right. I'm gonna go to that one next. So let me get a long entered in here real quick. I'm gonna put in 10,000. Is gonna cost me $50, but it's actually gonna be $250 credit from the exchange. Or I could do 100, which would be $500, and then that's gonna be a 2,400 credit. I think 100,000 is too much to start off with. I'm going to start off, we'll just start off with 10. There we go. Boom. I just entered in my position there on 1. I got $10,246 in value, but I only spent $50. And now my unrealized P&L, look at that, I'm already making some money on that trade. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep an eye on this. If this drops any more, I'm going to be buying more, so that way I can, my entry price with my average will be lower. So that way when the price recovers, then I maximize my gains. And as you guys see, look, the price is already falling down. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to buy, we'll do another $50. And you can also do limit orders too. So I actually recommend sometimes to do that. So that way, you know, if you have to walk away, or if it, you know, sometimes you get these flash crashes. You know, how nice would it have been if you would have had some limit orders set up right here, and they all got triggered, and then it recovers that quickly. You're like instantly in profit. Like, that's how you could get rich quick, basically, from, like, these crashes. But it looks like you guys can see people are panic selling this. Starting to see it crash again. So, like I said, I'm going to be picking some of this up. $100 million hacking. I mean, we just saw what happened with a lot of these projects getting hacked. They eventually do recover most of the time. Not all the time, but most of the time. So I have now I got $100 put into that, but my leverage amount's almost 500 because I got that 5x leverage. YFI again gone up. You missed instant little profit. Oh, thanks, Jamie. Let me check YFI. It says it keeps going up. Yeah, look at that. Looks like we're getting the M&M, the kind of getting the golden arches here a little bit. Now, yeah, I missed this one, guys, because that would have been a good time to get it short. Now would be a bad. Now I'm not going to short. I'm going to wait. Yeah, you guys can see this would have been a good one. What up, guys? It's all about timing. Yeah, absolutely, guys. All about timing. That's why I got the crystal ball, guys. Predict the future. I don't know, maybe this should have been, maybe this would be a good long. You guys think the price would go back up? Let's see, let's look at the 4 hour. Nah. I don't know, man. Unless it tries to recover to here. Because I'm trying to compare this to where, you know, what the rest of the cryptos are. Most of the cryptos are in this range from where it was beginning of June to now. Yeah, most cryptos are in this range. It might be... Let's look at Bitcoin. In fact, Bitcoin is actually way down compared to where it was beginning of June. Oh no, here it was. So yeah, we'll just say it was right here. So yeah, it's close to the same. ETH, same thing. There, and then there. Yeah, it looks like definitely keeping my eye on YFI. Didn't connect to Twitch. Sorry for the late here at internet problem. No worries, guys. I actually had my power went out for a few minutes. We had a pretty big storm earlier. Had no power for a few minutes, but then it kicked back on. LFG, let's go! Made the right decision to watch this before I enter crypto. That's a good idea. Not that I'm a financial advisor, but I just hope you guys find my videos useful. That's all. It's the first time I see you wearing an orange t-shirt. Yeah, I'm wearing Mario Kart. It's kind of like a reddish orange. Kind of looks orange with the lighting, but yeah, it's like a reddish orange. Go. Yeah, do your research, guys. Here we go. Now YFI is going back up. There is a chance that we could see a new all-time high. We'll see. What we could do is I could put my limit orders here. Oh, look at this, guys. Here it goes. It's pumping. All right, I'm gonna start entering in a small amount here, guys. Small amounts. 0.0. Wait, 0.5. Ooh, that's a lot. We'll start off with 0.1. Wait, I'm trying to short it here. I want to get higher than that. Come on now. Yeah, this one's a good one, guys. Oh my goodness. Alright, just entered in a small, just nibbling it. Just to get in. So you guys could see here. Now, kind of ignore BTC and ETH. Those are long-term holds for me. I mean, Solana's kind of a long-term hold for me too. So kind of ignore those. I'm on YFI and One. You guys see One hasn't changed much. I am up a little bit, $2.60 there. Now YFI, I'm already down 3%, which is fine because I'm going to be adding more here shortly. That way I get a better average here. I still think we could see maybe this go even higher, so that's why I'm not putting in too much. So that way I could cover if it does. Yeah, don't put all your eggs in one basket, guys. That's very important, especially when it comes to, when you have a small balance. You're starting off, you got $100, $500. Just put a little bit in and take it slow. Big Brother is always watching. I might... okay. YFI, what are you doing? So I got $287 in YFI. I only got $100 in One. And I entered a long position on One. Look, dude, I should have gone... Look at that, guys. One is going back up. I should have bought more. Dang. Yeah, that would have been a good... Yeah, I should have bought a bunch more there. Alright, let's go back to YFI. My average on YFI is 7167. Now it's at 7153. So let's see what this has done before. So this is kind of how I kind of determine what it's gonna do, because you guys have to have a plan, guys. You gotta have a plan when you're gonna get out. I'm looking at possibly getting out here if it doesn't pump any higher. Probably get out if it drops below 7K again. I think that's totally reasonable. If it goes higher, though, I am going to be buying more and then just keep averaging up. And then when it dumps, then I'll reevaluate where my exit's going to be. Cam on. Hope everyone could recover their losses. That was a good entry on ETH. Look at that, I'm up $100. But I ain't even looking at that right now. Yeah, I'm not gonna go chasing on One. One has gone back up. I'm not gonna chase this though. I shoulda. That's usually what happens. You always say I shoulda bought more. What I should have done is bought down here. That would have been a nice entry. buying this when it flash crashed. Ooh, that would have been nice. I think what we'll see, this is going to probably go back down. Looks like it won another cover, but chances are we'll probably see a little bit more downside. Oh, look like YFI is going back down. Look at this, guys. Oh, look at that. I could sell this now for $12 profit. I'm going to keep waiting, though. Like I said, if it drops below 7K, I'll start thinking about selling or closing it. Crypto struggle is real. Thoughts about Tron? You guys already know my thoughts about Tron, man. It's a more sober version of Luna. Justin Sun is a more sober version of Duquan. That's all I gotta say. I think it's high risk, but you may regret not getting in later on. Who knows? I'm not gonna go chasing though. That's the thing. You guys don't be chasing. Be patient. Find the right one for you. If you're a believer, then stick to it. That's all you. If you're a believer and you win, then even more kudos to you. Say what? Yeah, at this point, a lot of people aren't believers in Tron, but yeah. Yeah, everyone's saying Tron's the next Luna. How about Cardano? I like Cardano. Pulley? Pulley, I don't know, guys. They stopped marketing, and it's kind of just, now it's down. Yeah, basically. Well, I would say the team's still there. I mean, some of the team is there, but I know the team had some. The team broke up a little bit, from what I understand. Yeah, they had the leaders had different views. I guess they didn't see eye to eye, so they split up. But the team, one of the founders, is still there with the project. And still involved, but yeah. But you gotta think now. I mean, you know, there's 20,000 cryptos out there. You're competing with 20,000 cryptos. So what can your project offer that's gonna outcompete all these others? Because what you're finding out is about 90% of all these cryptos are all the same thing. Like, they're all just copies of each other. Just different names. And different brands, that's it. Yeah. Exactly, yep. Cardano. Now, Cardano, like I said, I think is a good, big believer long term. The founder of Cardano has been getting a lot of publicity lately in a good way, which is good. Cardano's Charles Hoskins proposes groundbreaking approach to crypto regulation. They just posted an article here. Let's see. And in fact, there was this one video of Cardano's founder I really liked. Let me see if I can find it. It was on TikTok. Let me pull it up here. Let's see. News. Hey, my one. Look at that. It's up 6%. That's good. So my timing was right. Was good on YFI and one. It's just I didn't put enough to make it worth my while. You know? My timing was perfect. Actually. Just... I didn't put enough on to make it worth my while. Because if I would have, you know, let's say if I would have went all in, which, like I said, I just told you guys not to do that. But let's just say if I would have went all in, then 5%, that would have been like $150 there. That would have been $150 there. Just instant, if I would have went on. But like I said, you take a lot of risk doing that. But that would have been really quick and easy. Here, I'm playing it safe. I'm going to, you know, take my time on it. And it looks like we might see even a bigger dump here, maybe. We'll see. It's kind of in a range where it doesn't know what to do. But let me find this video on Cardano that I really liked. Man, I post a lot of content. Because this video I can't even find now. It was a TikTok video I posted in Telegram. And now like I said, I just posted so much shit I can't find it now. Cardano founder. Let me just search it real quick. Oh, I have to be signed in, of course. Oh well, don't worry about it. I'll show you guys later if I find it. But here, it's pumping again. So it kind of looks like it's finding support here, so we might see it go higher, guys. So I'm going to wait. I'm definitely not going to enter in any more until I know for sure. Let's check one real quick. What is one wanting to do? So I'm guessing this was the sell-off from the hack. Yeah, this was definitely the sell-off from the hack. And we're starting to see a recovery, and then it looks like we had another quick sell-off and then quick recovery here. I don't know, maybe entering along on one is not a good idea. We'll see. I mean, just look at that, though. That's just crazy how much. You know, I'm kind of thinking of this scenario, you know, what happened with Luna, what happened to Celsius. When these projects fail, the price crashes really hard, and then you have a bunch of people like me who try to go in and try to take advantage of the crash, and they buy it up, and then some of them actually do it not just to make money, but they actually try to do it to help bail. You know, it's a... what they call it, self-regulated organization. People like organize together to help bail out a project just by, you know, sacrificing a little bit of money. Say, hey, we all put in $10 in, and we could actually make a huge impact. It's kind of like doing the short squeeze on the against the hedge funds or whatever. So that's kind of what we're seeing here. Day trading and people. That's why I'm thinking one's a good one to possibly day trade right now, because we're seeing some volume volatility. It's trending. People are hearing about it, so it's getting some notice and attention. But it's actually, the volume is not as much as I would liked. Price is not fluctuating as much as I was hoping for. Of course, every time when I'm one, I might be missing something on YFI, so let me check this Nope, Wi-Fi's still going up. It seems like. Or it doesn't know what to do yet. I FOMO'd in Solana a little bit, I think, my entry. I did not get a good entry on Solana. In fact, I would have been doing a lot better if I wasn't day trading Solana. If I would just added, like, just longed it. I remember longing it at $30, and I sold it at like 32 for a profit. If I would just kept that long, and I would have been making a huge amount of money off of that. So sometimes it's better just long it and wait and just hold it. You know, and that's ultimately what I'm going to try to do with some of these, like Bitcoin, Ethereum. Like, I'm just going to hold on to it, log it. Maybe Solana, we'll see. See if there's any other ones popping up. Like I said, I didn't really get into... I haven't gotten really attached into any of these ones yet for the short ones. CE Cell. Cell R, this one has been doing nothing for a minute. So I think this one is either going to dump or hope pump soon, but let's see. I think it's too risky to enter a long. It's kind of like in this, it's too risky to enter a long or a short because it's smacked right in the middle. Like smack in the middle from where it was at the beginning to where at the end, it kind of like, it's right in the middle. It's like the average between there and there. Yeah, you want green, buy long down here, sell short up here, and you're going to make some money. Wait, say that again? Yeah. Which coin? Oh, CELR. Everyone's saying to short it. I don't even know what this is. Well, they were right when it was up here, but now it's kind of, I don't know. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, this could go either way still, I think. So we're gonna wait on that. Oh, really? Who made the video? Yeah, see if you can find that video, find out who that influencer is, because that influencer obviously did a really good job if it was just one video that did this. Like, that's huge. I want that influencer's number. Yeah, I entered a short on YFI. My average is 7167. I'm still nibbling on it. I think we could still see a little bit more upwardness, and I'm going to start averaging up on the sell short. Average up when you're selling short, average down when you're buying long, and you will do well. When will you play Call of Duty? Maybe later. Time eating pizza and watching Dapp. Yum yum. I love pizza. Make sure to like and subscribe, guys. Let's see if we can get up to 50 likes on our YouTube. Help that YouTube algorithm out. Token BFG on markets, Pancake Swap, Buy Swap, Ape Swap, Baby Swap, Coin Tiger, and Hotbit. Yep. Trading has kind of been slow past few days. Past 2 days, things weren't moving as quickly as it was beginning of the week. See what Uni's doing. Dang. Not much. Could have made some here on Uni. I feel like Uni's manipulated as crap though. Here's one you might maybe enter along in. I don't know. EOS. It's way down though. I've never. Last time I saw EOS below $1 was like when it first came out. Look at that, guys. Part of me wants to just buy this for shits and gigs. Just enter along on that and just see what happens. What's EOS market cap now? It's under $1 billion. That's crazy. This is the largest ICO of all time. They raised $4 billion as an ICO, which is the largest ever. That's raising more than XRP and Ethereum, but they obviously, I'm pretty sure they got sued over it. Because they didn't register with the SEC or whatever. Where is so-called decentralization when official EOS website blocks Russian users from accessing their website? So cheap. Yeah, that's the reason why EOS became what it is today, is because it promised decentralization and it became the opposite of that. It's not decentralized at all. Scam. I don't think it's a scam. I think it's just a failed project. I used to love EOS. EOS was great. It actually was one of the best performing cryptos for dApps for probably a year, a solid year. And then they had bandwidth issues and it became really expensive, like more expensive than ETH to even use it. And then it's just been downhill ever since. Cheers. What's gone? Yep. Yeah. Big promises, but not up to the mark. I don't know. I just feel like this would be such a good long entry. Like I said, last time it's been this low was in 2017, guys. It has never been below $1 until now, guys. Since 2017, it's been 5 years since EOS has been under $1. That blows my mind. But I'm not surprised at the same time. It's listed on Coin. Dude, I'm doing it. I'm just gonna buy a little bit. I'm going long on EOS. Oh, perfect. It's dumping now too. Is this still EOS? Yep. Let's see. How much does 500 cost me? $100 bucks. Perfect. Let's do it. There we go. I just bought 100 EOS or 500 EOS because I have 5x leverage for $100 bucks. I'm gonna hold on to that for a while and see what happens. Okay, I could see it maybe going to like to 120. Look at that, prices going back up for Bitcoin, Ethereum. Looks like one has gone back up. What's YFI doing? Looks like YFI's also going back up. Yeah, some of these, like, they pump and then they stay up there for a while, and you just gonna have to wait. Because eventually what goes up will come down. Once I had some EOS but left. Yeah, unfortunately, 3 or 4 months back, man, that wine was still... I guess it wasn't... Wine wasn't flowing then. That was actually around when... 3 or 4 months back, that was actually when the crash started happening. The market started dumping. It was not a good time to enter. We all lost from that. Even the richest people on the planet lost money this year. Let's see it. Richest people lost money in 2022. Yeah, I saw an article. Since the beginning of 2022, the fortunes of Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos have cratered by a combined $124 billion, Forbes estimates. Yeah, billionaires Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos have lost $124 billion this year. So when the richest people on the planet are losing money, everyone's losing money. All right? Everyone's losing money. It's all psychology, though. Psychology, yeah. The psychology of the cycle. You're not losing. You only lose if you sell. You only lose if you make your unrealized P&L into realized. Right now, these are all profit, but I don't have this profit yet until I close it. That's always something to think about. Sometimes you do have to sell and take profits when you have to. Look at that. One is up 12%, guys. I should have bought more. Look at that. Dude, I missed on one, man. I mean, I didn't miss, but I could have made so much more if I bought more. Dang. Dang. Keep getting on knowledgeable, sharing facts with us. I'm doing the best I can, guys. Show your support, like and subscribe. It's 100% free to subscribe on YouTube. And you actually could you can subscribe for free on Twitch if you have Amazon Prime. Is that right, Kat? Hear that, guys? You get 1 free subscription per month if you have Amazon Prime. So if you have Amazon Prime, hit that subscribe button on Twitch. It's free. And it supports our channel. Yum yum. Love pizza. Hoping all efforts on crypto investment would pay off. Me too, bruh. Me too. Let's see what else is up. ARPA, Wi-Fi, CLR, storage. Oh, what's going on with OP, guys? Oh, I might enter a short here. This one might be a little risky because it's so new. Like this could go much higher. And just because I said it could doesn't mean it will. My crystal ball isn't right all the time. Part of me wants to get in on this. Oh, it's already dumping. Shoot, I was a little bit too late there. Just a little bit too late. Let's check here. Change. See what AXS is doing. If this pumps up again, I'll probably short that. DOT. I don't know if entering along here is right yet, is the right time. I don't know, we'll wait on this one. Oh. FIL. What is this? Is this new? FIL? Filecoin? Filecoin. It's got $1 billion market cap. This is list traded on Binance, Global, Coinbase. Wow, this $1 billion market cap, and it's this low? What the frick? It's ranked 40th of all crypto. I've never even heard of this. Filecoin. Decentralized storage network designed to store humanity's most important information. Sounds like a scam. No, I'm just kidding. Site looks dope. Centralized cloud services are spreading. This leaves billions of users far away from their data and allow cloud companies to dictate prices, jurisdictions, and who can use their services. Okay. Instead of a few big players dominating our digital future, we need an open market. Agreed. Filecoin connects the world with a new storage and economic model. No matter the level of existing connectivity, the Filecoin network puts content and data on every corner. Wow, this is sick. Look at this, guys. This is dope. I'm not even doing anything right now. This is freaking phenomenal. Like, it kind of moves when I'm moving the cursor here, but now you can finally break free from big centralized storage and limited locations. Client wants stored data on a Filecoin network. The client views available storage providers and their market price. This is dope, guys. I love this website, how it explains how it all works and stuff. I don't know, I'm not convinced yet. I'm not 100% sold on this yet, but I think that's pretty dope. Is this worth $1 billion to you? Do you think this should have $1 billion market cap? for Filecoin. Oh, so what's this protocol.ai? So Filecoin, I went to their... I click on twitter.com on CoinMarketCap. It took me to Protocol Labs. Is that the one you're looking at? Because that's their... That's... Yeah. So what I noticed here... Yeah, it's kind of confusing because on CoinMarketCap, their Twitter account goes to a different Twitter, and then there's an actual Filecoin Twitter that has a check mark on it, so it's verified. So I don't know which one's the actual official. Oh, they do retweet Protocol Labs though, so it's probably this their. This is probably not their official Twitter, but it's one of their Twitters, if that makes sense. Yeah. But that kind of confuses me, though. Yeah. It's up 10% today. I'm trying to debate whether I should long this or short it. We'll wait. Oh, look. Wi-Fi's pumping again. Here we go. I'm going to get myself positioned here. I'm going to buy another, what, 10,000? How much can I buy here? Oh, yeah. 0.1. Oh, my goodness. 0.1. Gosh, by the time I got my order triggered, it's already crashing. Yeah, see, now I'm down $29, but that's okay. I'm going to get my average. My entry price is now $7,204. And as this goes up, I'm going to keep nibbling in and putting in more money and getting my entry price up, so when the price crash, I'm going to be making tons of profit. I think my biggest mistake so far trading Perpetuals is not leaving my positions open for longer. Because some of these positions, if I would have left open for much longer, I would have made a lot more profit. So instead of, like, you know, right now I've been taking profits at like $100, some of them even less, like $25 I've been taking profits. But a majority of the time, not all the time, but a majority of the time, if I would just held on even longer, I would have closed these positions and made a lot more profit. So I just need to follow through on my decisions. I'm kind of just second-guessing myself and closing too early. I'm still making profit, though. Don't get me wrong. I'm still making profit. You guys see I've already made... I've already almost doubled... No, I've almost tripled my money in the last... Actually, I have tripled my money. Yeah. Almost tripled. I started with 3,000. I'm at 10,000 now, so that's 7,000 profit. Yeah, that's tripled. Tripled my money. Sorry for being bad at math. Is this the top? I'm gonna buy a little more here. I don't know if that went through or not. My entry price is now $7,228, And I'm now in profit, guys. I am now in the green on YFI. Well, I was for a minute. Now all we need this thing to do is just crash. See what's going on with what. Redbox keeps dropping. Dude, I freaking hate the stock market, man. Can't make any money off stock market. Yeah, this Filecoin seems interesting. I will keep my eyes on that one. Well, everyone PQ'd their curiosity on it. Yeah, spam should now be blocked. Yay! Got 2 more likes to go on YouTube. Get to 50 likes. That'd be nice. All right, we got new followers. Thank you guys all for following, guys. The new followers today. Appreciate you. I follow back, too. There, I'm going to give you guys a follow. Oh, I didn't mean to send you a whisper there. My bad. Oh, here we go. YFI is pumping again. Now it's at 7274. Now it's 730. Here we go. I'm going to buy a few more here, so I can get my average up even more. So far I put in around $700. My value, though, is $3,600 thanks to that 5x leverage. But currently I'm down, but I'm not sweating it. I'm waiting for this thing to collapse. Nice little correction here, and I'm going to make a nice profit. Just waiting for the correction, though. It could go higher, though, and that's fine. Like I said, I still got plenty of money to put into this thing to get my entry price up. So right now I've got longs in BTC, ETH, EOS, Solana, and One. One, I would have done really well. My timing was almost perfect there. All I had to do is I should have just put more money in it and I would have been fine. I would have been able to close that for 10% profit. Look at this ETH, dude. This ETH. Dude, wait. $152. Wait for this thing. Imagine when ETH goes back up. Especially over time, when I start adding more money into this, and my entry price, if I could actually get my entry price to even go even lower, and then the next bull cycle hits, and ETH goes to like $10,000, that's 10x from this with a 5x leverage. Oh my gosh, talk about insane profits you can make. Incredible. Oh, look at this, guys. It is now up even higher now. So, I'm going to have to... Oh, no, wait, I'm on one. Never mind. Never mind, false alarm. Let me get back to YFI. I think this is going to be the one I'm going to be choosing to short today. My entry price now has gone up to 7242. I put in over $870 or $850 for sure. I'm down a little bit right now, but I ain't sweating it. Guys, be sure to use that referral link down in the description. KuCoin. Get yourself rebates on your train fees by using it. Send you guys the link here as well. Boom, boom. It's dumping. What's dumping? Right now, it's going back up. All right, here we go. I'm just waiting for this thing to go goes to the moon. Wow, look at this down. Now I'm down $65. I think Chris Ball's telling me it's going to go higher. It wants to go higher. Oh, the high here for today was 7334. So I'm going to put a limit order here, 7334. That's the high. No, it should be higher actually. 7,400 actually. I think it's gonna hit 7,400 again. Definitely. And I'm gonna do 0. I'm just put in like 25%. It's $376 of 800. That's about 50%. Let's do 300. We'll do 374 sell. So yeah, that's an open order. I'm gonna leave that open so that way get a pump to 74, which is right here. I'm gonna be adding 300. About it's definitely well over 25, maybe 30%. And that should move my entry price up. I'll probably say it would probably move it up to 7,300. But it's a waiting game. Hey, we're at 49 likes now. Good job. Thank you for the thumbs up. This thing is just, look at that, steadily climbing. I think it's gonna go to 75 too, so we'll do 7489. I'll buy another. We'll do 600. And then we'll even go a little higher here, 7589, or just do 90. I'm gonna add 700. So you can see as the price goes up, when I'm sell shorting, I make my orders bigger. So that's maximizing my earnings while minimizing my risk. Look, see, look, it's already going up. It's almost at 74 now. Dang, I'm down $94. Not even sweating it though. Look, my entry price now is 72.82. So when this thing crashes, I bet you this thing will crash back to 7K. Wow, this thing is 48%, guys. YFI. Woohoo! Imagine if you open a long down here, man. If you would have went long down here, wow. You'd be rich. Dude, remember just a week ago when everyone was panicking? Crypto is like, they're like, crypto's over, crypto's... Dude, if you guys would have bought that dump, you guys would be in insane profits right now. Just remember that. You guys would be in insane profits right now. If everyone would have, if you would have bought this dump, this is when everybody was saying crypto is done, crypto's dead. You bought that panic when everyone's selling. Or don't, at least don't go all in. You could average in. That's what I'm doing. I'm averaging in. Like if you really thought that I think 21K is the low for Bitcoin, I would have went all in already. I would have put in thousands and thousands of dollars, which I actually have already in Bitcoin. But you know what I'm saying. I'm still very bullish on Bitcoin long term. So I don't even care where the price of Bitcoin is when I buy it. I still know it's going to be more valuable as time goes on. YFI is still going up. Did my order at 74 go through yet? Yeah, dude, my order at 74 went through. So I'm waiting. I got 7489 and 7590. Come on, just get a nice, big, thick pump here. And then crash. $7,365. 12:30. I do have a sponsor too. I do need to still make a video too, so we'll be getting started on that here in a little bit. Uh-oh. What's it gonna do? Dang, look at that, man. We already know this is gonna crash. Like I said, I need to just hold longer. You guys are probably not even gonna see me close this order today, because I've come to find out, realize if I would just hold my positions longer, I'd be making so much more money. Because it takes a little longer for things to come into shape. You know, like I said, like this, it's probably going to stay up. It might go a little bit higher, and then it's going to be in this range probably for a little bit, and then tomorrow or 2 days from now, it's going to be down here. And that's when I close my position. That's when you make your money. This, now it's at... Oh, go ahead. Yeah. Oh, good. Really? Nice. Sweet. We'll definitely give that a try soon. Alright. My entry price now is 7,356. My 7,500 order went through. Holy cow, guys. Here it goes. It's going, guys. It's wanting to run. I'm just adding a little bit here and there every time it pumps. I now have 1,700 into this bad boy. I'm about 25%. My whole, I'm trying to say budget, but it's my bankroll. I still have, actually I have 5,000 left. So I'm gonna probably start slowing down on adding and see if this, because you know, like I said, you don't want to get liquidated if this thing decides to pump like a short squeeze. Like if this thing goes above 86,000 or 8,652, I will lose all my money. It'd be completely liquidated. It auto closes. Wow, look at that! It just blew past 75. It's going to 76 now. By another. Holy shit. It's up 51% now. Dang, look at this, guys. It is pumping. Holy smokes. Wow. All my orders triggered. Dude, this thing is just going nuts. I don't want to over leverage, but at the same time, I gotta fix my entry price. Follow the parabolic curve here. Once it starts going straight up, we're getting to the point where it's starting to go straight up. Then we're getting near the top. I still don't like my average where it's at. See if I can get a little more, get that average down. Look at this, guys. I'm down $436 at the moment. But I'm not even sweating it. Because, like I said, give it some time. This will come back down. I'm going to make some nice profit. Looks like it's starting to come back down here. Get my order set. Hopefully we get a nice big dump here. Look at that. See, look, my loss now is 263. It's already going down. Dude, I'm actually so close to being in profit here. This thing... Yeah, this is a good sign, guys. Seeing this thing dump. Yeah, look, 183 now. 200, now it's going back up. There, just another sell order went through. Holy cow, it is climbing back up. No! Dude, it's gotta be slowing down here, bro. I put $3,754 into this. I still got 3,000 left, so I'm over 50% leveraged of my... Wow. Dude. It's crashing. It's crashing, guys. This is it. Let's make some money. Go, baby, go. Look at that. Unrealized. Now it's down to $76. Boom. BTC is pumping. Yeah, it's at 2179 or 21,000 or yeah, 21,079. I'm getting so close to being in the money here. I should be in the money already, actually. Or no, it's close. I'm about even. Dude, I started buying this when it was at 7,200. So I started buying it here, and I just kept buying it while it was going up. Now my average is up here. And if we could just get this thing to crash back to these levels, I'm going to be in so much profit. I still got a few more orders here for up here if it does go back up to those levels. Which, this thing could continue running. But, using my parabolic curve here, things are starting to go straight. When things start going straight up, it's bound to come back down. I'm going to be right back, guys. I'm going to take a quick potty break. Dapp sound with Jeff Bezos. Let me see this real quick. Oh my god. Look at that, guys. What's the city in the background? What is that? Is that Dubai? Oh shoot. Go baby go. Yeah, it was. Guys, I'm getting so close to being in the money here. Look at this. It's crashing. Go, baby. Go! Oh! It's crashing. Keep going. Keep going. Boom. I am in the money now, guys. Look at that. $81 profit. $91 profit. $100 profit. $157 profit. Now I went back to 85. 122. Remember, like I said, I tend to take a potty break. I'll be right back. We'll see what happens. Be right back, guys. All right. All right, guys, I am back, and it is now at $165 profit. 4,200 margin was what I put in. It's at 7,400. I still think this could go lower, so I'm gonna see here. It's still at 48% up. Like I said, I tend to close too early. Like, normally I would close by now, but I come to find out that I sometimes close too early. Let's see. Let's look here at the chart. Nah, it's starting to go back up. Dang, it's still going up. What I'm hoping it does, you know, drawing a line here. I want, my target is to probably sell it. Oh my god, guys, look at that. Man, I should have took that profit. Uh-oh. Holy smokes. I'm not leveraging anymore. Look at that. That $150 profit just turned into a $132 loss. But looks like it might be hitting some resistance here. Nope, here it comes. Dump it. The only difference, the only thing that worries me is, like, when this thing has been pumping, it does not retrace back very much. Like, when this thing pumps, it pumps, man. Look at that. It's alright. Still, it's now back below my average again. See, it's all about patience and discipline. I'm hoping what does it, this is what I'm hoping for, how it plays out, is this support breaks and this thing drops to 7,000. It might not go that low, but it might go to 72 maybe. I'll probably get out then. It'll be like a $300 profit, maybe even more. Keep dumping, guys. Come on. Dump it. Look at that. See, just moments later, I'm now back in the green. So you guys see how much it could fluctuate and change just in a little bit of time. Now 72 profit. Dude, like I said, guys, I'm hoping we could see this support break and this thing just crash close to 7K. I'm getting out. Come on, baby. Crash. Run out of gas. Oh, man. The spam just got real. Boom. So it looks like when it bottomed here, it was around 7,375. Remember, I could have sold for like $150 profit. This thing go down to 73. That's probably gonna be double or triple that. It kind of looks like. Look at this, guys. I think it is slowing down. Because remember, when it first came up, it went to a new all-time high. This went up. It has not hit a new all-time high yet, guys. Look at that. It's crashing. Oh! Go! Go all the way down. Look at that. $300. Keep crashing. There it goes. Okay, I could sell now. My estimated profit's $300. $325. $328. I'm getting out. Boom! Oh yeah! Look at that, guys. $297. Pretty much almost recovered everything I lost earlier today when I made that stupid ass play on Solana. I tried to short Solana and just decided to go on a dollar run on me, so I had to get out. Made most of that back. I am now back up $10,300. Yeah, buddy. That's how it's done, folks. And look, talk about good timing. It's going back up. But like I said, sometimes I close too early still. Like I said, maybe later today this will be under 7,000 and I'll have even more money. But I like to get out. I like to take profits quick, get them out. I do have these open still, so let me go ahead and cancel those. Maybe we'll find something new. Well, let me know what you guys think down in the comments. What you guys think. Yeah, look at that. I don't know, I still might have sold too early. Like, this thing could go way lower. But I wanted my 300 profit. Is it going? It looks like it's wanting to, but we'll see. Yeah, dude, just close that deal. $297 profit. I technically have not made any money today. I'm broke even so far. But I'm still up over $7,000 for the week, so I'll take it. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. As long as you win more than you lose, you're going to be fine. Because he is the boss. Alright guys, I think it's now time to get started on our paid promo. So thank you guys all for being here and tuning in. I'm going to get started here. I'm going to post a video on YouTube. So I'm going to be recording this. And we're going to be talking about another exchange. XT.com. Let me get the crystal ball out of my way. Alright guys, I am on XT.com. Now I do want to thank XT.com for being our paid sponsor in today's video. Now XT.com is the world's first social infused exchange. In fact, the exchange has been established in 2018 and was registered in Seychelles. Its operating headquarters is located in Dubai. It has operation centers in Singapore, Seoul, and other countries and regions, and businesses covers all around the world. The platform owns the global top-level domain XT.com and currently has more than 3 million registered users, more than 300,000 monthly active users, and more than 30 million users in the ecosystem. XT.com is a comprehensive trading platform that supports 500 plus highly qualified or high quality currencies and 800 trading pairs. It has a rich variety of transactions such as currency transactions, leverage transactions, OTC transactions, contract transactions, and credit card purchases. Provide users with the safest, most efficient, and professional digital asset investment services out there. So yeah, guys, check it out. You guys will be able to find the links down in the description. In fact, I will send you guys the link here so you guys could join in. Sponsor XT, don't allow ball magic. Alright. Let me send you guys here. Boom. And I will also have that in the description as well. So yeah, guys, the world's first social infused exchange, best selections of cryptocurrencies. Go to xt.com. Links down in the description. They got all kinds of options, guys. All kinds of ways you guys be able to trade. They also offer derivatives such as futures trading, leverage trading, ETFs, indexes, and so much more. You guys can actually buy crypto directly on the website using a third-party payment and a P2P trading. They also offer finances as well. You're talking about savings, staking, ETH 2.0, and financial raking, pools, hash rate store, and more. For projects that want to get listing, they can also try to get listed here on the exchange as well. And then they got something new here, guys. They got the XT.com NFT. This is their own NFT marketplace, it seems like. You guys can actually get in on the action right now. Look at this. They have an auction off here. This is one of their NFTs they have auctioning here. It has 1 day, 18 hours left. Current bid is 100 XTD. Wow. And they got all kinds of variety of other NFTs here as well. So they got it all here, folks. Crypto exchange, get started here. You're able to do your leverage trading. I saw they do have 10x leverage trading, up to 10x leverage trading, that is. And then they got the standard spot trading here as well. So this is what the standard spot trading looks like. You got a variety of options you could choose from, including their own type token. They got the XT token, which is tradable as well. And then they got, looks like they also got this Pro Spot. Let's take a look here. Here's the Pro Spot. This is what this Pro Spot looks like for those more advanced traders. Oh, looks like they actually have 20x leverage. I just saw this. They got 3x and then 20x leverage as well. So yeah, it wasn't 10x, it's actually 20x. So that's what's up. Yeah, look at that. See, I could switch from, you could do 3x long, 3x short. That's for ETF. Shoot. And then look here, this is a great opportunity to get in, especially like Bitcoin. I mean, just look at the charts here. This is a great opportunity to start getting into, at least averaging in the Bitcoin, start buying. I don't think we're that much farther from the bottom, to be honest, but we'll see. Great opportunity to start getting in on these exchanges, especially when it comes to the financing too. Let's take a look at their staking, guys. Here is their staking platform. Looks like, what is this? XTAL is offering a 1,117% estimated APY. That is crazy. And then look at this, USDT, 111%. XT is 162%. That is crazy. Wow. And they got all kinds of other options as well. Look, they got OP, they got CEGI, Pulley. Remember the Pulley token? Look at that. Pulley, 129% APY. That's 87% USDT, 81% TRX, or 145% in XCT. So this is probably what they pay out. You could choose which one you want to get paid out in. So yeah, all kinds of different options here as well. Yeah, you actually forgot Pulley token was tradable on here. Look at that. We were just talking about that earlier. Wow. It's crazy. Too bad their chart got messed up here at the beginning. People are trying to buy this for $80. That's crazy. And it's very easy to use, guys. All you gotta do is create an account. You can set up set up using your email or phone number. Sometimes you might have to do identity verifications. They don't have to do KYC. I think KYC is optional. Yeah, so level basic, you get the basic verification, which you then will need to verify in order to be able to get your withdrawal amounts. And then level 2 advanced verification. This is a video verification, verification of merchant permissions. And it takes approximately 2 days. That's so you can be able to withdraw up to $500,000 a day, and that's in fiat. Cryptocurrency, you can withdraw up to 2,000 a day, just doing the basic verification, and then withdraw. Wow, look at that. Is that $10 million a day if you do this advanced verification? Guys, just by signing up, you guys are going to be getting a 20% rebate ratio on all your trades. So guys, check it out. Be able to enjoy that 20%. Get yourself signed up here on xt.com. Also, be sure to join their communities, guys. You can actually join their communities here. Go to their Telegram group here. They got over 79,000 followers in their Telegram group. This is a great way to stay up to date with all the latest news and info on the exchange. And you're going to have direct communication with all the community members. And you're also going to have direct communication with a lot of the developers and leaders of the exchange as well. And also, you can check out them on Twitter. Let me go to Twitter. I think I had it up, but now it's gone. You can follow them at XT Exchange. They got over 162,000 followers on their Telegram. Again, another great way to stay up to date with all the latest news and info about the project. She has a 10, but she sells the dip. It's funny. Yeah, guys, the world's first social infused exchange. You guys can get it, download the app from the App Store, get it on your desktop as well, and start getting yourself into cryptocurrency. Now is the time, guys. Now the prices are cheap. This is a great time to start getting into crypto. So if you're new to crypto, you're not sure how to use the exchange, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I can definitely help you guys out with that. Definitely look forward to more videos and more projects and more exchanges to talk about here in the future. Thank you guys all for tuning in. Be sure to like and subscribe if you have not done so already. And just so you guys, let you know, fair warning, I did get paid to make this video, and I'm not a financial advisor, so please always do your own research. And that get into crypto or investing in the cryptocurrency projects do involve risk, and you could potentially lose all your money. Now, if you're enjoying this video, please give us a thumbs up, and also if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications, so that way you get notified every time that I go live and when I post new videos. Well, stick around, guys. I got more videos come and more projects to talk about. It is Nero here at Dapp Center saying so long and enjoy the rest of your day. Adios. Alright, that wraps it up for that video. Thank you guys all for tuning in today. See here, checking the chat. Looks like we had some people come in on Twitch. Yo. Y'all. How you doing, Cap? Dude, look at this, guys. YFI just went back up. Dude, I made an awesome trade. Holy shit. Holy shit, guys. That was a good trade on my part. Look at this. I might double dip here. Get back in. Yep, I'm doing it. Alright, we're gonna buy a little bit here again. Oh yeah. Let's get it. Doing it again. Pump, pump, pump. Pump, pump, pump. Dump, dump, dump. Oh, yeah. Look at this. Oh, my gosh. It's pumping again. Look, I'm just clicking up here randomly and just buying it as it's going up. Look at my entry price now, 7609. So I have a better entry price now. I've only leveraged in, I've only put in so far $597 with a $3,000 value. And we're just gonna wait. Dude, I made such a good trade there. I was thinking that maybe that I sold too early, but that was perfect timing. Talk about, you know, getting your sell, putting your sell position up here, closing it down here, and now I'm able to do it again. I could have put a, if I would have really wanted to make huge money here, is I could have started putting my buy orders here. I could have started longing it, and then when the price went up, then close those. Oh, double trade on both sides, long and short. Look at this, dude. Oh my gosh. It's dumping now. So what do you think, Cap? It's a lot? It is a lot. Takes a lot of practice. Yeah. Ooh. I mean, technically, I mean, there was no way of knowing for sure what was going to happen at this point. It could have gone lower. That's why sometimes it is smart to just take profits when you can. So I'm going to wait, see if this pumps even harder. In fact, I'll go ahead and start putting in some more buy orders again higher up. So that way, if it does pump, I could get these to trigger. And then 78, we'll make that order even larger. We'll do 2. Hell, we'll make that 3. Okay, 79. We'll make that 5. Oh, not 70, not 7,900. Yeah, we'll make that 5. Wow, this thing's really climbing now. Dude, look at my entry price is now 7,648. I put in 1,100. Dude, look at this thing. Dude, this thing's gonna crash so hard. It's gonna be so awesome. Oh, look at this. It's going even higher. Now my entry price 7,669. Like I'm just going right. I'm like dragging right behind it as it goes up. Just adding a little bit here and there. I am down $81.77, but I'm not even sweating it right now. What? Oh yeah. It's got to. I mean, look at this chart. Look at that. Like, it's just been going straight up. Like, crazy going up. It's up. It's over 54%, 55%. Is that... What the is going on here, dude? Holy smoke. Now my entry price is 7,713. I put in 2,200. Remember, I'm down $142, but we all saw what happened last time. Look, now it's crashing again. Like, I'm not even sweating it. This thing's gonna crash eventually. Here it comes. Maybe. I think we'll go up a little higher though. Maybe we'll hit 79, maybe 8,000. Or I'll put an order for 8,000. Point. Do 6. Yeah, see that? See, I would have made a good. That would have been a good long entry if I would have closed that short and entered a long right away. Holy smokes. I would have been making money in both directions. There it goes. 78. It's pumping. Oh yeah, gotta get the 8-ball out. Don't count on it. Don't count on it. Uh-oh, the 8-ball tells me don't count on it. Uh-oh, that's not good. That's 7-9. Oh, my 7-9 just triggered. Dude, this thing's about to go to 8,000, man. Dude, this thing wants 8,000 for sure. There, now my entry price, 7,775. Wow, just blew past 8,000. I'm down $600, guys. Like, I'm getting short squeezed. I still got about 50%. You guys see I just keep adding here as it's going up. I gotta try to get my entry down, entry price. I don't like where it's at now. I was hoping I'd get it to 79, but it's already down to 79. Wow, look at that, man. Oh, it's still gonna go. Dude, what is going on here? It's at 58%. You guys can see I'm down $300 right now. Not even worried. Now it's going back down. $292. My entry price, 7,820. It's already getting back to where my entry price was. Like I said, when it cools down, that's what I'm banking on. My open orders 789 7979. It's crashing now, so I need this crash down, but like the 700. Yeah, dude, look at this. I'm about to be in profit, guys. Just need this thing to crash hard. We are going to be golden. There it goes. Oh yeah, there it goes. Keep going. There it goes, guys. Oh my gosh. Keep going. It's crashing. Go all the way down. I think I'm gonna get out at 7 when it gets like close to 770. Oh man. I think we'll probably, it looks like it's wanting to go up a little bit here. Nope. You guys see, I'm already recovered. I'm back in the green here. Or at least I was for a minute. Now it's going back up. No. There. Now I'm green. Check that out, guys. Oh, now it went red again. It's going down. I just need this crash just a little bit harder. And we're going to be looking good here, folks. Look at that, 69 profit, 44 profit, 66, 74, 47. Oh no. If I close now, it'd be a $58 profit. I'm gonna wait. Ball magic help you, I hope. Yes. Dang, 23,700? What's that? Bitcoin? My heart is beating. Mine too. All right. This thing went from 7.3 to 300, 770. Yeah, I think this could definitely drop to 7. There it goes. Drop lower. Come on now. I want 7700. Good luck, Nero. Thank you. Good luck to you guys as well. Here we go. There it goes. Oh! 147 profit. Keep going. Dump it. 114 profit. 132 profit. I'm going to close here soon. Boom. Oh, yeah, dude. You guys ready to see this? How much did I make on that? Boom. $206. I am now up $10,553. 200. Right. Remember, I lost this trade this morning, this Solana trade. I lost $343. That, and then add, and then I made 46.37. And then $297.30. And then $206.32. Yeah. 343. 97. 206.02 is what I made, so or $200 in one day. I made 4 trades. 4 trades, $200. One day. Do that 5 days a week. That's $1,000 a week. That's $52,000 a year. You're pretty much making a living doing if you do that every day. And it only took me a few hours. Me being distracted, me streaming. If I was just focused solely on trading, it would have probably took less. I probably could have made more. Yeah. Yep. Exactly. Yeah, it depends on the day. It just depends on a lot of things. He always in huge profits on stream. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, dude, I'm averaging. Let's see. Like I literally started doing this about a little maybe over a week ago. So we'll say 8 days, I think it was to be exact. So 55 or 7,550. Divide that by 8. Yeah, I'm averaging $943 a day trading. Oh, this. It went down even lower, guys. I'm not entering along, though. It's too risky. Oh, wow, dude. I'm going to keep my... Like I said, every time this thing pumps, I'm going to average in on it. Let's take a look here at my longs. Longs aren't doing much. One. This is starting to go back down. Looks like I might enter in more on here. Just wait for this thing to dump again. Yeah, EOS trade's doing nothing. No volume. So that's the whole point, guy. If you were looking to day trade, you gotta find tokens, cryptos that have high volume, like ETH, Bitcoin. I mean, Bitcoin's probably is very popular, but like ETH would be a good one. Chainlink. Anything that has high volume or whatever's trending. Let's see what we got new. What's IOTX? Is this dumping? Another way you could tell on the volume is the wicks. If you guys see the wicks are kind of like there's a lot of gaps in the wicks, that means there's low volume. That's another good way. I mean, not only can you read the volume down here at the bottom where it shows these little bars. So this big long green bar means that there was a huge buy volume. Like there's a bunch of people buying there. And then reds means there's a bunch of people selling. And then when there's bars are low, that means there's little no trading happening. So you guys want to look at that. And notice if you see gaps in the candy sticks, whatever you want to call them, candlesticks, that means that, yeah, there's low volume. So I try to avoid those when it comes, especially for day trade. Let's see what SNX is doing. See, SNX looks good. There's a little bit of gaps in here too. So never mind. SNX is slowed down. Uni was another one I don't like to trade because I don't know. Uni's volume's kind of weird. They've had some nice volume, but this thing is not many corrections here. Uni might not be a bad one to get into. I'm just kind of waiting to find a right entry for this because I like to short Uni, but it's been very bullish, so trying to short this has not been fun. Wow, YFI is now down to 76. Dude, I could have made so much more money if I would have just kept that order open. Look at that, 75, 74. Dude, I would probably be in the 500 range right now in profit. Yeah, look at that. It's dumping hard now. If this dumps hard, I'm gonna enter a long. Just to get the bounce. I think I've learned is you make more money shorting. Nero is the live example. I mean, yes and no. Technically, I probably would have made just as much if I would have timed out, like if I would have timed the market perfectly and just bought in down here at the bottom, then I would definitely have made more money than day trading. So, yes and no. I would say I made just as much, which is good, because technically if I would, why short when you could have just done nothing, bought here and done nothing, make the same amount of money, if not more. So yes and no. I like the, like I said, this is new to me. I'm trying to day trade, and it is profitable. It is profitable. Don't get me wrong. Sometimes it is more profitable, especially, imagine if I was doing this a few months ago when Bitcoin was at like 40K or 50K and I was shorting then. That's where the real money was at. Shorting now is not a good idea, to be honest. Actually, longing, getting into longs is probably more profitable now, or at least it was. Can't say that now because of everything going up a lot. So there's going to be some corrections. But in the past week, yeah, longing, you would have made more longing than shorting this week, technically. Well, it looks like it's now going back up. So I had a little opportunity to sell there. I guess I should have entered that long like I was talking about. Man, I could have made more profit. Yeah, ARPA's hot. Let's see what ARPA's doing. Oh, I missed it. Oh, I missed it. You guys, look at that. Thing just straight up pumped and then dumped. Oh. I don't know. I see they're saying this is hot, but the volume has not been that great for me, honestly. I don't think, like, look, there's a lot of gaps in the, well, it's not a lot of gaps. There's a little bit of gaps here and there. CELR. See, like they're saying this is hot. Like it was hot for a minute. Right here it was hot, but now it's doing nothing. It is pegged to 0.02 basically. AGLD. A lot of gaps here. Like I said, they're saying, like I said, the volume's been low lately. I almost entered along on BNB. I don't know why I haven't done that yet. See what Maddox doing. Oh, look at this, guys. I just missed it, man. I think I just missed it. Just missed it. I missed that by 10 minutes, maybe. OP is at 60 cents now. Here's a, I open a long on OP right in this range here. And I sold for a loss when it got down to here. But if I would have just held on to it, even though I probably would have came close to getting liquidated. I think the liquidation price was like 44 cents. So I would have almost got liquidated. But I would have been in profit when I held on. Nice food. Huh? Yep. I trade in the 5-minute chart. Yeah, I like to try to trade in. I look at multiple angles. I look at 1 minute, 5 minute. I look at all of them to try and make my determination. And then you gotta have gut instinct and listen to your gut. And if you have any doubts, listen to it. Yeah, that's a good one. That is definitely a good one. Yeah, see, I have no emotional attachments to these current, at least not the ones that I'm shorting, or like the, most of my trades that I'm doing. Like some, obviously like Bitcoin, ETH, I have maybe a little bit of heart in those, but other than that, I don't really have any heart. Like EOS, I don't have heart in it anymore. Only reason why I'm long in this is because it's down at levels it's never haven't been it since in 2017. So I'm just, you know, this could go to zero, but I've only put $100 in it, so it's just a gamble I'm willing to take. Solana has just been on fire right now. And I still think Solana's a good long-term hold for the future. I think it's going to be a big competitor to Ethereum. And then one, like I said, I just thought this was an opportunity because they just got hacked. Price dumped a little bit. Like I said, I think I missed it. The great dump part, like those who would have bought down here and here are making really good money right now. And then those who shorted up here and shorted here, they're looking good. But I'm hoping that after the recovery, and maybe they post some good news, we could see another rally. And getting back to where we were before the hacking, which was up here, 3 cents. Bitcoin Wolf Club, what does perpetual mean, please? 1 minute chart will show you very little up and down. Yes, that's true. That's why I like to look at all of them. Don't just rely on one resource and one chart. But yeah, let's talk about perpetual trading. What does perpetual trading mean? A perpetual contract is a derivative financial contract that has no expiration date or settlement, allowing it to be held or trade for an indefinite amount of time. So, when you trade in futures, there's perpetual futures, and then there's the other futures, which those expire, right? You have a certain time frame where you have to, you know, you're locked in, and once it expires, it closes, whether you're up or down. Here, perpetuals means you have the choice. You open it, and it doesn't close until you decide to close it. So there is no time frame. for the trades to occur. It's one trade, you open it, and then it's open forever until you decide to close it or until you get liquidated, or if you get liquidated. Which you never want that to happen. If you get liquidated, it means that you lose all your money. And they do it based off of a margin. So as you guys can see, this when I entered in, we'll use Bitcoin as an example. When I entered in Bitcoin at 21,000, it gave me a margin here. I put in $633, and if the price of Bitcoin goes down to $16,911, this will all be gone. And as the price goes down, let's say the price goes down to 20,000 or 19,000, then this value goes down. So, and you'll see my unrealized P&L will show loss in equivalent. So let's say I get liquidated, then my unrealized P&L will be negative $633. And then it goes the other way too. So let's say if now there is no close, like there is no liquidation if it goes up, obviously. It could go up forever, and the more it goes up, the more money you're going to make. So that's the great thing about Perpetuals is there's no time frame. It doesn't expire. I could open up a BTC, go long, and imagine, Bitcoin, if I hold on to this, let's say for 3 years or until the next bull run, I'm going to make so much profits. As long as I can keep this open, as long as I don't get liquidated, I'm going to be making tons of money in the next bull run. Thanks for explaining. You're welcome. Yep. And then what is leverage trading? Because it's kind of the same thing, because you're leveraging from the exchange. So leverage trading is the most basic sense, is any type of trading that involves borrowing money or otherwise increasing the number of shares involved in a trade beyond the number of shares you could afford when paying with cash. So you're basically just borrowing shares or stock or crypto, and you're putting up a set amount. So if you have 5x leverage, you put in $100, the exchange is actually going to credit you like you had $500. So they're giving you like a $400 credit, a borrow that you're loaning. And if you get liquidated, you have to pay that exchange back all that money you lost. Look at that, guys. I am all green now on my unrealized P&L on all my orders. Boom. These are all my longs. How many percent do you put in each order, man? Good question. It depends. Depends what the risk factor is. It depends, what currency it is. My balance right now, 10,625. I started off by putting in like $200. It's whatever you're comfortable with. Whatever your bankroll is with, whatever you're comfortable with. I would say start small. I would only be putting in maybe 10% at most at the beginning, and then you start adding more to cover if you have to. Yeah, I would say don't go more than 10% of your bankroll, because like you said, because sometimes you could over leverage, which is what happened to me in Solana when I was trying to short Solana this morning. And it backfired. I over leveraged. That means I put too much money. I didn't have any more money to cover, so I ended up having to sell it for a big loss. And I still would be down. I'd still be holding on to that trade. And then you see, that was a good, smart move, because I would still either be in that trade, still probably be down, and I would never have had the chance to make these profits. Because I recovered that 343 by closing it and getting into something else. Actually, I ended up shorting it again. Made a little money there, but then I ended up shorting YFI 2 times and made close to $500. Jason Copper. Oh yeah, man. You know how it rolls. I'm streaming. Did it not get sent to you? Hold up. Making more than my teachers. Alright, here you go, bro. There it is. So, show some P&L details. I want to see the fees. Alright, here's the P&L details. So you guys see, here's the fees here. Wow, $19 I spent there. The problem, here's the thing with the fees is the way I did it this way is see how many positions I had to do. So unfortunately, when you do it this way, using this strategy, you end up having to pay more in fees. You know, I feel like this is a safer way to do it. It's a more conservative, more risk, less risk on to take, but you do end up having to pay more in fees because I'm doing more orders, and the more orders you do, the more fees you have to pay. Are you guys able to see that? So yeah, that one was $19.93, and you saw all the orders I put into that. Same with this one, $15. See all these orders? I put in all these small orders, and I get fees charged for each one, depending on the size of the order. I mean, it could be all relative to the because you guys see it is relative to the size of the order, so maybe it may not matter too much. Because you can see here, this was a big order, it was $297. So maybe it won't matter much. It just matters on the size of how much you put in is how much you're gonna be paying. So obviously, I ended up putting a lot into this after a while. It says train P&L 312. It had to have been way more than that. I wish it showed the exact amount of money in USD that I put in. I closed, yeah, $297. My fee was $15 there. And then look, here's Solana. Oh, so yeah, so it's just, this is the actual profit, and then that's the fees, and that's what I get closed. That's the, so they deduct the fees. I get how it works now. Okay. So yeah, that's putting in about $7,000 to $8,000. I was in, actually it might not have been that much. It might have been more like $5,000. Around $5,000 was costing me about $15 in fees. I actually think that's kind of low. That's actually not too bad. That's not. I just wish it showed me the total amount that I put in. It'd be a little more easier to read. Or it would be easier to determine what the exact fee breakdown is. I'm sure you could find it on their website somewhere. You would have paid nearly around $500 in fees. Wow. Wow. Like and subscribe, give us thumbs up, turn on that notification so that way you get notified every time that I go live and when I post new videos. In fact, I go live 3 days a week, Monday, Wednesdays, Fridays at 5 p.m. UTC. I'm going to be wrapping it up today. Like I said, I'm already up $200 today. And that doesn't even include this. But this is all long term, so I'm not even worried too much on this. Let me see. We'll look here. Wow, YFI went down to 7,500, dude. I should have left that open, man. I would have made even more. Oh, it looks like OP's pumping. OP. When stream end? Probably in a few more minutes. Part of me wants to short OP now. I think it could still go higher. We'll see. Oh man, I need to find another copyright or non-copyright playlist that doesn't have a bunch of cuss words in it. A little more family appropriate. Yeah, like background noise. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Ignore the spam, guys. That is true. Yeah, things change too fast to make money on longs unless you want a long time. Yep. You gotta hold it for a long time. That's why it's called long. Kind of watching no piece. I'm waiting to see this hit it new high here, and then I'm gonna short it. Yeah, everything's going green right now. Yeah, man, I would have been up 7% on one. I wish I would have put more in that. I was right on that. Yep, there it goes, guys. Aw, sweet. Alright, I'll take a look at it. Let's see here. Alright, let's take a look at this one. Open Spotify. Instrumentals, there we go. Yeah, this will work. Yeah, that's a lot better. Perfect. Wow, Solana went back up. That was a good one. I'm doing really good on ETH. I'm not gonna close this ever, dude. Dude, wait, when ETH goes up to like $4,000 again, oh my gosh. This is gonna be huge. Like, I'm at 35% now at 1,200. Imagine this goes up to 4,000. Like, dude, that's just gonna be astronomical gains. I don't even know how. Say what? Oh yeah, we saw that for a minute. Was it? Sweet. All right. It's got low volume though. That's the only problem. And it's trading much lower than all the others. Like, you look at the chart here, it looks bad. Like, I feel like it's gonna recover more. It could recover more. I would actually consider opening a long on this instead, and then shorten it. SNX. Yeah. That one's definitely up. Its volume, again, has been slow. Recently, it's been slow. Kind of waiting for that to pick back up. This... Dang, look at that, dude. See? If I would have just waited. But, yeah. I mean, who knows? Never know. It's up 50%. Axie's up $17. What's this BAL? Oh, here we go. Got one here, I think, that's just now pumping. Volume's low though. Yeah, that's a lot of gaps. Ugh. I ain't touching that. Yeah, guys, you don't get. Always pay close attention to the volume. If the volume's slow, and then you're gonna get stuck. You ain't gonna be able to. It's gonna be hard to sell and make profit off of that. Let's look at Matic. Here's Matic again. I might enter a short on Matic. Well, we'll nibble it. We'll start off with $123. Yeah, you guys see, like, I'm actually starting. My percentages are really low, actually, starting off with. I know when you guys asked me what percentage you start off with, my bankroll, like, I had $8,000. I just only started off with, I started with $100 or $200. So technically, that's probably more like 1%. What, 200 divided by, we'll just say 8,500. Yeah, it's more like 2%, guys. 2 or 3%. So I just entered a short on Matic. I'm already down $1, $2 now. I'm gonna nibble again. Oh, this one's a new high. New high would put this around 63. Yeah, look at this, dude. It's climbing, man. It is climbing. I'm glad I just nibbled on that. Look at that. It's really climbing now. I'm just going to keep nibbling it. And then once this get over past a new high, then I'm going to start adding heavier. Oh. So my at entry price 61.05. It's at 61.22. I'm just going to try a trail along with it. Yeah, look at this. Nice big green wick here. So there's definitely going to be, this looks like volume's got a little bit of volume here. That's a good question. So in order to do that, go to, so here's KuCoin. Let me log into KuCoin. If you go to your accounts, you're going to show spot, margin, futures, earnings. We can go to spot orders. Actually, go to main account. Go to your wallet, go to main account, go to this screen. And then wherever you have your funds at, whether, because you might have funds, for instance here, I'll show you exactly how to do it right now. So here I got 24 USDT in my main account. Now you could also have this in your trading account too. It doesn't matter. It could be in any of these accounts. What you do is you click over here where it says transfer. You got deposit, withdraw, transfer, and earn. You click on transfer. And then, yeah, the $24 is my main account. And then I'm going to take this, instead of putting it on trading account, I'm going to add it to my futures account. So you guys see here, you got cross margin, you got isolated margin, you got futures. You click on futures. I'm going to do my total amount, 24. I'm going to hit confirm. And boom, it's now been transferred to my futures account. And here is my futures account. So I have $10,678. What? That went up even more. How's my Mac? Okay. That was more than I thought it was going to be. That help? Hope that answered your question. Bitcoin Wolf Club. Did you see that? Was that able to help you? Yeah, you just go to your wallet. You click on transfer, and you just transfer from your main account or your trading account, and you transfer it to your futures account. Please remember to withdraw your initial investment. Good idea. Good idea, bro. I'm probably going to do that. Probably, yeah, before the month end, I'm definitely going to be doing that. Wait, what's this? WNXM? That max short, I'm up $4 on. Should be more now. That thing's been crashing. Let's see what it's at actually. Yeah, now it's only $7. Dude, I totally forgot. What was I gonna show you guys? Oh, I lost my train of thought. Oh, WNXM. No, I was like, what did I say? WN. It's not. They don't have it on Perpetuals though, so I'd have to check on regular KuCoin. Here's. Let's go back to regular KuCoin. WNXM. Of course, this is only for spot trading. Oh, yeah, look at that. Oh, a new coin. It all depends on the timing. Hypothetical. It would depend on what new coin it is. Yeah, and how much hype it is. Because some of the new coins that get listed, they don't have much volume. They're kind of just duds. But then there's some that get a lot of attention. They get a lot of hype. So it all varies. But mainly it comes more down to the timing than anything. You could short, like I said, I don't really get too emotionally attached to what the crypto is, where I'm more focused on the trends, but it does help to know, like, you know, if they have news coming out, like what you were doing, like checking their Twitter and things like that. That definitely helps a lot, because that will help gear you. Okay, well, obviously if they had a bunch, like a big news, like a lot of hype, then you're probably going to be less likely to be shorting it, or you're going to change your strategy based off of that. I'm probably going to stop here because Maddox, even though I'm doing well on Mac, I'm up $12. It's just nothing too exciting. It's only 3%. Yeah, me too. I got to edit video too, so. Alright guys, thank you guys all for tuning in. Make sure to like and subscribe. Looks like we did get our 50 thumbs up, so thank you there for that. See you guys. I will not be streaming this weekend. Be off this weekend. Cap, I know we're going to talk later about what we're going to be doing tomorrow. So I'll give you a call here in a little bit on that. Alright guys, peace out. I'll see you guys Monday, 5 p.m. UTC. We'll be live again. Have a great weekend, everyone. Adios. Yep, thanks, Cap. See you guys later.